In this video, let's look into the configuring of Internet Explorer for security. So for that, let's open up the Internet Explorer and go to the Settings tab. And under the Safety options, we can go and delete the browsing history. We can check and uncheck based on our preferences. And once done, we can click on the Delete option. So once we are done with that, we can again go back and try out other features that are there, but for now let's go on and stick to the internet options to see what are the privacy and security settings that we have got. So once we click on the internet options, we could see various different tabs, but let's go to the security tab, and here we could set the security based on our preferences or our choice, so whether be it high, low or medium. And once we set it, we can click on OK and go to the privacy tab. Here we could see which are all the sites for which we could allow the tracking via the cookies, and we could also go on and use the advanced options under the privacy settings for that. So once done, let's also go back and see the private browsing basically, which is similar to the incognito mode in the Google Chrome, which would allow you to browse without your cookies or history or sessions being tracked. So the next thing that we could do is go back to the internet options again, and we could set the custom level security settings. So with respect to the whether to enable or disable the JavaScript, or whether or not to allow the downloads by default, or do you want the browser to prompt if at all the file gets downloaded, and so on and so forth. So based on our preferences and choices, we can disable or enable various different options that are present here, and this could be set as the different levels of security. So once we have set all these different settings or parameters, we could go on and click on OK. So we could again see whether high, medium or low. For now, let's keep it high, and we could click on OK. And this was about configuring the Internet Explorer for security.